So these little eggshells, and don't forget to crush them up because they break down faster. They add calcium to your soil, as you know. We talked about that before, but we can talk about it again. They add calcium to your soil. Why do you want calcium in your soil? Because calcium activates certain enzymes, and they send these little enzymes send little signals to coordinate with the cells. And they kind of say, they're kind of like that traffic cop that's, he's motioning traffic. You go this way, you go that way. So the calcium in the eggshells are talking to these enzymes and saying, you know what? You control traffic for me, and you tell the cells what I want them to do. I want them to do this, that, and this is what nature does. So when you have your crushed eggshells, put them in your composter, and they will provide calcium, and that calcium will give enzymes, and the enzymes will tell the cells what to do. Isn't nature beautiful? She knows exactly what to do. So I want you to have a good day, and if you'd like to subscribe to my YouTube channel, that would be awesome. Nana the Glam Gardener. So yeah, have a great day.